Today I'm going to make a video on this misconception that brushless motors is some kind of new amazing technology when there's a type of brushless motor called the AC induction motor that has been brushless since 1888. Here is a rotor of an AC induction motor. If you'll notice, it has no commutator on it, and it has no windings on it. It's just a rotor with rotor bars in it, steel laminations, thin steel laminations pressed together, and these two end rings that shorts the rotor bars together. Here's a larger rotor from a bigger AC induction motor. Same deal. No commutators. You see no copper coils wound around it. You see the rotor bars inside, the two end shortening rings on it, and the steel lamination stack. This is the motor that a lot of you have seen probably in your power tools, your blenders, vacuum cleaners, you name it. Anywhere you hear a loud screaming motor that spins really fast, this motor was in here. And I'm thinking this is why people think brushless motors are new technology, is because they've never torn apart any equipment like a dryer, washing machine, or say your air compressor motor or anything like that. If they did, they would have saw a rotor, AC induction motor rotor. It wouldn't look like this. It'd be bigger than this, but you get the idea of what I'm talking about. So I'm thinking a lot of people, when they tore apart tools and all, they've seen this motor and they must have thought that all equipment in your house uses this motor, and that's not true. Now you may be wondering, why do they use this motor in place of an AC induction motor? Well, the reason is this motor is very fast. It spins really fast because the speed is determined by the voltage. Whereas AC induction motors, you got to have a complex speed controller, which adds cost because voltage does not control speed of AC induction motors. It's the frequency. And AC induction motors, particularly the 60 Hertz motors that you buy, are much heavier for the same power than these universal motors. And so that's why you'll see these motors when weight is a concern and speed is a concern. That's not to say there's not such thing as high speed AC motors, but if they were to use a high frequency design like 400 Hertz, it would be very expensive. So we're kind of stuck with these motors if you got power tools or saws or whatnot. So I just figured I'd make this video to kind of clear up this misconception, so hopefully you won't fall for any marketing crap that somebody pull to try to trick you into thinking that you've bought new technology when you've had this when you go through your house and you can tear apart AC induction motors that's been around since 1888. So there you go.